We're here with 𝚑𝚑 hair. Hey, 𝚑𝚑 hair. 𝚑𝚑 hair. Hey, so we doing a quick unboxing, okay? So you're gonna get your satin silk bag, which you can store your units in. It extends the longevity of your units, y'all. I promise you. You're gonna get a elastic band, okay? Then we're gonna get a wig cap, of course. If y'all want to do the ball cap method, you can do that. You also get a little pamphlet. It has their other product information. Also, wig care tips on the other side, just in case you don't know what you're doing. They got you, sis. Next, we're gonna get a silk satin headband, y'all. This creates the perfect ultimate melt, y'all. I love these type of scarves, especially for laying down your hair. Next, we're getting the star of the show. Okay, so I do have their natural hair lace front wig. This is their loose deep wave texture of hair, and this is what she's looking like. I did get the cap size in a small. The inches is 26 inches, and the density I believe is 180%. Be sure to check the description section for all the details on this unit because it will be there. So this is what she's looking like straight out the package. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the construction of the unit, and then I'm gonna finger detangler so you guys can get the semi density, or you can guys see the density in full. So it does come with 3 combs in total. Those 3 combs are in the middle section and 1 at the nape, including drawstrings. But this is the part I was telling you about, just finger detangling, just going in so you guys can see. You know what you're gonna be getting. The hair was so soft, it didn't have any smell at all. Next, this is the hairline. I wanted to show you guys the hairline before I plucked it, okay? Like I said, this is a pretty bomb hairline, but y'all see that line of demarcation right around here? I do want to just blend that out just a little bit because y'all know I'm extra, but like I said, you don't have to do that at all because it's still gonna look bomb either way. So I want to take some tweezers and we're gonna go ahead and just pluck that line out just so it can be more flat and blend more seamlessly. I always like to use a sharp pair of tweezers, but first I wanted to pull out I guess you can call the hair that they already plucked, the baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. You want to pull that out first and then start pulling out. This is not a tutorial. I'm just telling you guys what I do because I have really stopped plucking units and just wearing the units as they come, but I'm trying to get back into it. So it's not a tutorial, it's just showing you guys what I do. So basically I just go in and like I said, thin it out. I want to make sure like the hair strands are looking like the rat tail or rat teeth, whatever, comb. When you comb it, you want to make sure it's just like fine lines like that. You can use your hairline as a reference. You do need to be careful because I tend to overpluck almost all the time, and I know it's because I'm just rushing, okay? I'm rushing, I'm not taking my time, so I did, end up with a little bald spot, as you guys can see right there. Be sure to also make sure your tweezers are facing, the slanted side is facing down towards the unit, and when you're plucking at an angle, because if you use that pointed side alone, you're gonna create holes into your unit, okay? I'm also using water and hair foam lotion to help pull out these strands of hair as well. It's better to pluck it when it's wet versus it being dry because it snatches the knot out from the root. So I'm just gonna comb it out and comb all that excess out, and this is what she is looking like so far. You guys can definitely tell a difference between this section up here versus this section right here, and you guys can see it's laid to the gods, okay? And where the ball spot at, y'all couldn't see it. That's why it's important to leave that baby hair out, because if you mess up, you can just cover it up. All right, so this is what the lace is looking like when it's on my head, okay. So I'm just like finger detangling some more, and I just love the volume on this unit. Like I said, the hair is really soft. I love this hair, okay. So like you guys can see, I did just go a little overboard and plucking towards the middle section, but y'all, I'm telling you by the end, y'all already saw by the beginning how it looks. It's still a little freaking bomb. So what you want to do now is cut the lace off of the unit. You want to make sure that you are cutting jagged edges, because if not, the hairline is going to look boxy, it's going to look straight, and it's going to look a sight. Okay, I've done it before. So make sure those lines are not perfect. Alright, so next I'm going in with my got2b glue hairspray. For those of you that are new, got2b glue hairspray is not a bonding glue, it's not adhesive, it's not glue. It's a strong hairspray. I know some people are scared of the name, but the got2b glue is like mimicking glue, but it's not glue, if that makes sense. Y'all get my drip? So next we're going to go ahead and use the silk scarf that was provided, and we're going to go ahead and melt it down. And I do use hot heat during this portion because it just makes everything look so nice and neat and just laid. Now I did go ahead and pull out those baby hairs because I am doing baby hairs today. I'm going to take my wax stick and I place it all over the sections that I want to look nice and laid to the god. So we're going to take our hot comb and just go ahead and hot comb through it. Next, I just sprayed some got2b glue hairspray on top. Well, I guess you can say in between or on the comb, and then combed it through my hair. I couldn't find my brush, y'all, but I found it after this clip, which was stupid, but it still works out the same. So y'all see these baby hairs, y'all? I don't know how some people do those like big baby hairs. Like, these are mediums, and this was like pushing it for me, but I wanted to get out my comfort zone a little because y'all know my baby hairs be tiny. I like tiny baby hairs, but I wanted to just get out my comfort zone, so I tried to do the big ones. I still think it was bomb. Let me know what you guys think. Also with laying down my edges, I just spray a little, spray a little bit of my foam wrap lotion onto like a surface, whatever, and then I spray some got2b glue right in it, and I mixed it together. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, that creates the perfect hold. And once you get done molding your baby hairs, just using your comb, doing your little swoopy swoop or whatever you want to call it, you can put the heat back on it, but make sure you put the silk scarf back on it and use hot heat. And I'm telling you guys, when y'all take that scarf off, it is gonna look so bomb. So I did that off camera because I just told y'all what to do. So look at this, y'all. Look at this goodness. Look at that. That is so freaking bomb. Now, if you guys don't like the hard, stiff look, comb out the baby hairs. You don't have to leave it hard like that. I could have combed them out, but I feel like when it's bigger, comb them out because they look a little hard. But y'all know. This hair is pretty. I don't care what nobody say. Nobody is going to come for me. So anyway, we're going to do my curly hair routine. I'm not going to do that full out because, y'all, I do that almost every video I have curly hair. But these are the 3 products I use. I spray it with water and put all 3 products on. And then I normally take my diffuser and air dry it to about 90% dry and then let the rest air dry. y'all, I'm freaking in love with this hair. This hair gives me water park vibes. You know, I'm ready to get out and, you know, wear this hair to the beach and stuff like that. This screams summer vibes all day long. So I really, really love this unit. Y'all, this unit gave me no problems. I have minimum tangling and I have minimum shedding. This hair was so freaking beautiful and so easy to work with, y'all. I'm telling you guys, it speaks for itself. And let's just get into this scalp. The lace they provided was so freaking amazing. Like I said, it wasn't tinted or bleach or anything. I just put foundation on it and, you know, plucked it a little bit. I'm just, you know, adding to the goodness that was already there. So let me know what you guys think of this unit. It's a natural loose deep curl. I love it. It's just so pretty. I mean, freaking pretty, okay? And yeah, I don't have any cons at all with this unit, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the information in the description section below. And until next time, you go. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.